How to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on edit profile button next to add to story button. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as edit your about info. And after that, you simply have to scroll down to the basic info, and there you can see your birthday date. So tap on the pencil icon next to it, and here once you see the interface like this, on the drop down menu of both the dates, simply tap it and change it to only me and tap on done. You can do it for the both, and once you're done with that, you can simply save it. And here, once you have set it, you have blocked the visibility settings of your birthday. And that's it. That's how you can turn off birthday notification on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.